Opener John Campbell, who was provisionally named in the West Indies Test squad to tour Australia later this year, will not get an opportunity to do so. This after the latest decision handed down by the JADCO Independent Anti-Doping Disciplinary Panel on Friday. Keon Rayner now reports.
Jamaican and West Indies batsman John Campbell has been slapped with a maximum of 4-year ban for evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection by JADCO on April 20, 2022. The decision, a copy seen by Radio Jamaica Sports, came Friday evening from the Kent Gammon-chaired Independent Anti-Doping Disciplinary Panel. Campbell's ban, according to the 18-page decision, will be backdated to early May of this year. The 28-year-old was accused by JADCO of refusing to provide a blood sample on April 20 at his home in New Kingston. Campbell's lead attorney, Ayana Thomas, has expressed disappointment with his 4-year ban handed down by the Independent Anti-Doping Disciplinary Panel.
Our client's position is that he was not properly notified by JADCO. There were several breaches of the rules by JADCO in respect of the notification of the athlete, which in our view were not adequately addressed by the panel and went to the heart of the allegation against the athlete. Additionally, there were several factors in mitigation which were raised on behalf of Mr. Campbell and supported by evidence which was not challenged by JADCO. These factors ought to have reduced the maximum penalty even if the panel found that the athlete was properly notified to provide a sample. It certainly does not appear from the written decision of the panel that due consideration was given to these factors.
She says the left-handed cricketer is also contemplating an appeal against the sanction.
We have read the ruling of the disciplinary panel and believe that there are legitimate grounds for an appeal. Our client has just received the ruling yesterday evening and will therefore need time to consider exercising his right of appeal, which in our view shows good prospects of success.
Campbell, who is also the Jamaica Scorpions captain, has played 20 tests, 6 ODIs and 2 T20 matches for the West Indies. His last international outing was the second test against Bangladesh in June. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.